just wanted to make a video and talk to you guys a little bit about guasha and specifically how to make it. If you've seen my articles or read my articles or seen my videos before, you'll know that there are thousands of people across Australia and around the world that are using this mix of guasha to clean their skin, essentially open it up so that it can breathe, and also to prevent sunburns and things of this nature. So I always get the question, well, how do you make it? So I figured I would take a few minutes and just show you how to make it. So I just have a little glass jar here. It needs to be sealable because if it doesn't seal, then the vodka alcohol will just evaporate, it'll get all hard and it won't work. So find anything that's sealable. To be honest, the one I actually use is a big jar that has an actual latch on it, but I thought I would just use a little jar just to show you what you can make. You can make a little jar or you can make a big massive one. I would recommend making one as big as possible just so that it lasts a really long time. You're going to go out and you're going to buy bicarbonate of soda, just pure bicarbonate of soda. If it's pure bicarbonate of soda, it won't contain aluminum, but you might want to ask about that anyways because you don't want any metals that you're putting on your skin. Typically, they add aluminum to baking soda, not bicarbonate of soda. But go ahead and find a good brand, and that's fantastic. So what you're going to do is very simple here. Find yourself, a spoon or something to shovel it in, and you're simply going to fill up any type of jar or container about 80%. So go ahead and do whatever you need to do to get that done. So when it's about 80% full, it doesn't have to be 80%, it could be 50, 60, 70, but the reason I say about 80% is then you can have a little bit of level on top for the actual alcohol. Now we use just a grain alcohol, and I recommend that you go out and find any vodka, which is a grain alcohol, triple distilled, because if it's triple distilled then it's very clean. And it's from grains, not going to hurt you. Alcohol originally was distilled by the ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and many ancient cultures, and it was used to clean wounds and to clean the skin. It was used to clean your body, open up the skin, keep it clean, and eventually somebody started drinking it, got really drunk, and thought, wow, that's a great thing. And now people are like, oh my god, you put that on your skin? That's weird. But actually it was first developed to clean wounds and to clean the skin. So if you could see that, hopefully you can see that. I just filled it up 80% with bicarbonate of soda and then just added vodka. And you'll see it bubbling in there, and it's just going to saturate into there. And essentially what you want is about 1 centimeter of vodka on top so that it's just nice and wet. Then as you're using this in the actual shower, I would just have this with the lid on it, sitting on the shelf or on the floor in the shower. I'd get into the shower, rinse off completely, and then probably turn the shower off, and I would have some type of little scrubber, either a glove that you can put on or just something like this. So you can pop that on, open this thing up, and you would just put about a tablespoon, a little bit, about teaspoon to a tablespoon on there, and you would just scrub, let's say your arm, and then you put another teaspoon, scrub your other arm, put some more, scrub your body, put some more, scrub each leg, scrub my face. I scrub my entire body, everything in the shower. This opens up the skin. It gets rid of all the acidic bacteria, yeast, mold, fungus, even parasites and things exist within the 7 layers of dermis and epidermis within people's skin. The bicarbonate is a high alkaline mineral, so it's going to alkalize everything, which if it's an acidic based bacteria, it's going to die. And then by adding the alcohol, the vodka, it's also just going to open everything up and kill it. Now typically because it's alcohol, it's a high percentage of alcohol, it'll evaporate before it ever absorbs into the skin. So it's a great way to clean. You essentially scrub your entire body, getting rid of all that bacteria, petrochemicals, different things that build up in the skin, which soap doesn't get rid of. You jump back into the shower, rinse everything off, and then whatever you want to do. If you want to have some natural soaps or use your shampoo, conditioner, and all that stuff. I would recommend while you're on the 7-day juice fast, if you're doing that or any type of fasting, doing it every single day. Or if you're just starting this, do it every single day for maybe a week. And then I'd recommend maybe doing it once every 2 to 3 days So you'll be doing it a couple times a week. And when you do it, you'll feel that your skin is just breathing, it's open, it feels fantastic. You'll notice the way your skin of your face. I've literally had thousands and thousands of people do this all around the world, people living in Australia, and they notice that they don't burn as much and their skin feels smooth and beautiful and fantastic. I've had people doing this for the last at least 4 or 5 years, and some people do it every day, all the time. And I've never had anyone come back and give me any negative comments that it caused dryness of skin or caused some kind of issue. So it really is a fantastic way to clean the body, clean the skin. I know you'll love it. That's how to make it. Thanks for watching.